Hello everybody, Zachary Fruhling, aka CozyAzeroth here. I am working through the book 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer, a book by Len Turner from the early 1980s. I'm going to be running through all 101 programs. If you're catching this after the fact on YouTube, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel for the previous 25 videos in this series, and stay tuned for the ones yet to come, all the way up to program number 101. This is program number 26. We're going to read the program description, get into the Classic 99 emulator, get into TI Basic, type the program in, run it, and see what we can make it do. Okay, 26. Name in a box. Put your name up in lights, or at least on the video display screen of your computer. This short program creates a box on the screen and puts a name you have specified into that box. The name is highlighted. You can change what the box is composed of by changing the asterisks in line 70, 100, and 120, which we might try. That'll be fun. Okay, let's look at the program listing, and let's get into TI Basic and our Classic 99 emulator. And let's start typing. 10, call clear. 20, input, what is your name? What is your name? Question mark. And let's see, do we have a space there? We do. I'm going to type it exactly as written for the moment. And that'll be in string for name. Okay. 30. ln equals equals length of in string. Okay, 40 lt equals ln plus 4. 50, call clear. 60 for L equals 1 to LT. For L equals 1 to LT. 70, print asterisk. Asterisk, and I think we have a semicolon there. Means the next print statement is going to show up right after that. Yep, print asterisk. Okay, 80, next L, ends our for next loop, 90, print. Okay, I've got to be a little careful here, 100, print, and we've got an asterisk and a space, then we've got semicolon, in string, a semicolon, quote, space, asterisk, end quote, space, asterisk, end quote. Okay. Okay, 110 for L equals 1 to LT, for L equals 1 to LT. Okay, this is going to print the bottom row of the box here. Print, asterisk, semicolon. 130, next L. Yeah, I don't know why we skipped line 140, but we'll go right to 150. This book jumps around a little bit. For L equals 1 to 10. Oops. 2, 10, yes, that's right. 160, print. 170, next L. And 180, go to 20. Okay, let's clear the screen. We're going to list out the program. See if there are any obvious typos here. And there is no line 140. Let's just double check. Yep, very strange, but that's just how it is. Let's give it a run. Okay, what is your name? Let's type CozyAzeroth. Oh, there we go, CozyAzeroth. That's fun. Zachary. Getting a screenshot of every turn here. See my girlfriend's name, Susan. I don't know if she's still watching. She was watching earlier. I'll do my sister's name, Amber. Now let's do one really short. Now we just do, how about my initials? Okay. And we could do something really short like Joe. Now let's see here. What if we do something like supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. So obviously that's a little too long. I'm not sure if that's how you... Oh, I think I messed up the spelling here. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Did I get that right? Okay, so that's all this little program does. So it says we can change the symbol. So we need to change the symbol in line 70, line 100, and line 120. So let's do that. Let's make it 70 print. Let's do an @ sign. And then 100 print. It's funny, back then no one knew that the @ sign would be so popular as it is today, huh? Okay, let's do @ in string semicolon space @ end quote. I think that's right? And let's see, line 120 print @ and a semicolon. Okay. Let's run it. Do the same combination here. What is your name? CozyAzeroth. There we go. It's a little harder on the eyes, isn't it? Zachary. Do Zachary Fruhling, my whole name. Do my girlfriend's name. And let's do my sister's name. There we go. Yeah, so we could make that little border be any symbol we want. Let's do one more combination, just for fun. Let's do something like 70 print. Let's do a slash. And 100 print. Let's see, we're going to have a slash and a space, semicolon, in string, semicolon, quote, space, slash, end quote. And 120 print, do a slash again, and semicolon, and that should give us a different look altogether. CozyAzeroth. There you go, that's not too bad. Oh yeah, I like that much better. Better than the @ sign anyway. Let's see, you do my girlfriend's name, sister's name. Yeah, there we go. That's a lot of fun. Alrighty. Well, that was program number, I think it was 26, Name in a Box, from the book 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A Home Computer by Len Turner. If you're watching this after the fact on YouTube, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel for more TI-99 4A content, along with retro programming, retro gaming, lots and lots of World of Warcraft live streaming, and miscellaneous educational content. And be sure to check out my YouTube channel under CozyAzeroth. And if you are watching this on my Twitch channel under CozyAzeroth. If you're watching this on Twitch right now, be sure to check out my YouTube channel. Same kind of content on both platforms, but I appreciate any likes and subscriptions, especially the subscriptions. They help me out greatly in these difficult times. And be sure to stay tuned. I'm going to be starting and stopping the stream for a while, but come back for the next video, and be sure to check out all the previous 25 videos and the future videos coming up in the next days and weeks, all the way up to program number 101 from this book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. Thank you very much, and I will catch you in the next video.